Hello guys, welcome to ThomTech tutorial. In this session, we are going to see what is Azure DataBricks account portal and how we can manage the account settings. So basically, this is some of the definition and key features that I've added to the PPT. Azure DataBricks account is a management interface where you can administer or manage your Azure DataBricks account, including workspaces, billing, user access, and some of the key features of this is like account management. That means you can view and manage your Azure Databricks account settings. Then we have workspace management. That means you can create, delete, manage your workspaces. User and access control. That means you can assign, manage. You can assign, manage users, groups, and roles here. Then we have billing and usage. That means monitor Databricks billing, usage, cost, and subscriptions. Yeah, so let's get into practical demonstration to see like what is meant by this. So what you need to do is, I'm not going to do anything practically, but yeah, I will just show you. So just go and type accounts.azure-databricks.net and just enter it. So I need to make sure that I'm using appropriate user. So let me just select. So this is my user who is actually a global administrator in the Azure Entra tenant. Okay, so you can see he's a global administrator. So with that settings, I am able to like access the Azure Databricks account settings. Okay, so you can see you have a lot of options on the left side, or you can directly select from here. You have workspaces. Just click on this workspace. It will list down all the workspaces that you have created, which are like running. Okay, so this is the name of my workspace, first workspace. It will open. It will give you full data. Databricks workspace and what is the meta store attached to that workspace. Then if you click on, it will give you other details also, the resource group subscription and the meta store associated with it, the region. Then if you click on catalog, it will give you the meta store detail that is created. So these days automatically Databricks workspace is enabled with a unity catalog, so automatically a meta store will be created. And even we can create a new meta store provided we are creating a different region for that, and we can create our own data lake storage and Databricks access connector, and we can set it up. Okay, then we have usage. In the usage, you will be able to see the useful insights on your consumption, your billing, and other details. You can set up some dashboards. Then you have user management. You can see this is the user management screen. If you want to create any service principal and don't want to use any specific users, you can create service principals. You can add groups and do some role assignments, and all those stuffs can be done from this user management. Then you have cloud resources. So this is like a feature that is NCC, that is network connectivity configurations. So basically what it does is it allows you to connect to different resources which require some additional network configurations in order to allow Databricks to access those resources securely through private endpoints. So we can use this feature for that. Then you have preview, which I haven't used yet. Yeah, so you can check like few details on budget policy, cross platform view sharing, immutable external groups. This looks to be like in a public, this looks to be like in a public preview. Then you have additional settings which will give you user provisioning, app connections. Then you have feature enablement. So this feature enablement will let you know like if you want to enable or disable any features in this account level settings. Okay, guys, so that's it on this session, and we will try to cover another topic in the next session, which is like external tables and managed tables. Or we will also see if we can cover creation of a new storage location by enabling or creating a new meta store. Okay, thanks guys for this session.